In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of contact names not showing on your iPhone when you receive incoming calls. This problem can be frustrating and make it difficult to know who is calling you. Thankfully, there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve this issue. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your name at the very top. After that, tap iCloud. Then tap Show All to see all the apps using iCloud. What you want to do next is toggle on the switch next to the Contacts option if it's turned off. This will ensure that all your contacts are synced with iCloud and will show up correctly on your device. If it is already enabled and you are facing this issue, try turning it off and then turning it on again. To do that, tap on the switch, then tap Keep on my iPhone. Then toggle it back on. Once you've done that, restart your phone to allow the changes to take effect. After restarting, check if the contact names are now showing correctly during incoming calls. If that didn't fix your issue, go back to the main settings page and scroll down until you see Contacts. Tap on it. Then tap Short Name. And then toggle on this switch to enable it. And select the first name only option. Also, toggle on the switch next to the Prefer Nicknames option. If you are still encountering the issue, go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way up, and tap on your name. Then scroll down to the bottom, and tap Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password and tap Turn Off. And then sign back in using your Apple ID login credentials. This action can help refresh the synchronization of your contacts with your Apple ID account and potentially resolve any underlying issues causing contact names not to appear during incoming calls or within the contacts list on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.